Okay guys, we're in Barcelona. I just arrived, so let's go to the hotel. I saw that there is a lot of cars with like Coinbase written on, very class. I will show you. So now let's go to the Grand Prix. It's 9 a.m. I slept 2 hours last night, so I'm fucking tired. But today was awesome. Like that was one of the best day of my life, literally. So now I'm going back to Paris, and I will make a little video about my experience in trading, how I went from like broke trader and like burning all my accounts to consistent and profitable trader. Okay guys, so now we're back in Paris. So that was a crazy 24 hours. I took, like I told you, I took the plane in the morning, like at 6 a.m. yesterday to Barcelona from Paris, and at 9 p.m. from Barcelona to Paris. So I just went for the Friday, the practice, because today I will have nice places in Roland Garros. But the main focus will be today a little video, raw video. Like I told you on YouTube, I really want to do transparent video, and we will talk about my trading history, where I started, how I started, was what was my process like, what were my errors, how did I learn, and how did I become profitable with my trading system and stuff. So everything we go through risk management, psychology. Well, we will do it quickly, but I want to have like to give you some insight about all that, and also how and why I'm working with Coinbase, and how I got invited to such an event. So yeah, we'll go through all this. So maybe let's start first with my training history. So if you guys know me, maybe you know my age, but if you discover me, I will tell you. So I'm 21. I will soon be 22. It's been almost 5 years that I started trading. So my first year trading was just trading forex and stocks, mostly paper trading or with little money, because I was like 16 or something like that. So I didn't have money to trade with, basically, but I did it at the beginning because I wanted to be a trader in a hedge fund or like in a bank. That was my goal. So that's why I started trading, like not for the money, but for experience, because I love that, and I wanted to be a trader. And so this is where I kept continuing this. I also just got my master in finance. I wanted to finish it, but I won't use it because I'm a day trader. I'm a retail trader. I trade for myself, and I like don't see why I should go work for a bank. I can make my money by myself, working where I want. That's the freedom I got from trading. But I will explain you how I get to that point, and that's kind of young. But there's been a lot of time, in like in 4 or 5 years, you have a lot of time to discover yourself and to do a lot of errors and burn a lot of money. So I started like 1 year trading stocks and forex. I was shit, literally trading S&P, like CAC 40, like the S&P of France. And a friend introduced me to crypto, like almost during the top, like the top of the market was like 2021. I think it was, yeah, 2021, like November, December. I joined at the top, like Solana was at 180. BTC was like 65K, some shit like that. I bought crypto at that moment, like with the money I got from like the family and all the stuff. Was like 250, $500. I put it in crypto in spot, and this probably 1 year and a half later was worth like $50, because everything went down like 90%. Bam. So that was my first experience in crypto, in spot. And regarding the day trading, I was trading so since, yeah, 2022, yeah, 2022. I like joined, so I was still in my finance school, so first year or second year, and I had some money from my family also. In French we call this livret A. That's, or livret jeune. That's like your family that is saving for you when you will be like 18 years old or some shit like that. So I got that money. It was like 1K5. I was trading with it, and obviously you know how it goes. I lost it in like 1 month and a half, 2 months. So I was not able to trade, but I was really enjoying that. What is important is at that point, I was not trading for money. I was trading because I was enjoying that. and also because that was like I had like a goal. I had like a goal, and not a bad goal, like not, an evil goal. Like for me, if someone comes to you and say, "Oh, I want to trade because I want to make money," well, you have a purpose to trade, so that's good. But psychologically, if you are not ready and you trade for money, you will get burned and you will lose it all. Like if you are not ready psychologically, um, and you trade just for the money, you're dead, bro. So you have to work on that psychology. But I did the same thing. I had a purpose that was for just my job, but I was like, shit, I'm not good at that. How can I do it? And also, I was very good at school, but in France, you can do either like something that's called preparation. So you do 2 years of like insane work uh, just to get the top schools. So after those 2 years, you got a test and you go to that. So that's how you get the best schools. And if you want to be a trader in finance, like you need to do that to get the best banks. Or you have the other thing, when you finish high school, you just go to college, like a university or like a finance school. But that's not the best one, and that's what I did because I wanted to have time for myself, and that was probably the best decision I ever made because I actually had so much fucking time for myself. Like I was able to trade, be on the charts, be on Twitter, be on Discord, be on YouTube for like 8-10 hours a day, and that was crazy. Like uh, basically, thanks to that decision to go to that school, I was able to follow the courses and stuff, which were cool, but basically I was just studying like 5 days before the exams and passing them. And the other time I was just trading for myself, learning for 4 or 5 years and grinding like that. I was able to get where I am now. So this is very important. Like you have to put in your mind that trading is, if you think about it, like traders in banks, right? They are not like fucking dumbass. Those guys made the best calls. They're fucking smart. Um, like they're fucking smart. They learned a lot. It's like being a fucking doctor. Like you have to do 5, 8, 11 years of studies to be a doctor. So for me, trader is like a doctor. Is like a high sport level guy. Like you want to be pro at tennis, you want to be pro at football, you have to work your whole life for that, and you have to have that the mentality, the psychology. You have to be good. You have to train. So that's the same thing for me. Trader and even more retail trader, because retail trader, um, it's more complicated than like a trader in a bank, because trader in a bank, he will be good at school, he's smart, he will do good studies, he will get in a good environment in the bank, and whenever you're in the bank, well, you have all the tools that the banks provide you to make money. Even if you are good, like you have with a lot of good people, so it's easier for you to make profits when you're a bank, because you work for someone that know how to do it. But if you're a retail trader, you are competing against everyone. It's like a tennis player. You are competing against everyone every time. And if you lose money, it's because someone won money. And if you won money, it's because someone lost money. So this is very important to get that in your mind. So just to get back to like the history. So the first year when I started trading crypto, I lost my money. Was shit. And after that year, the summer, I went to Orlando in the United States. I went to do an internship at Disneyland. I made good money. I was able to come back with like 5K, almost 10K, just to invest with it. And I put it all in a Binance account. And I grew that account from 10K to like 200K basically. So that was massive, like 200K from 10K. That was insane. I was like I was like 19 years old, 20 years old. So when you're 19 years old, you make 200K from, sorry, there's someone passing behind me. If you make 200K from 10K, you're like, man, that's how I felt. I was like, man, I'm the best. I'm the fucking next Warren Buffett. Like I was on a fucking in the sky. Like bro, I was flying. I was like, okay, I'm the best. I'm done. I'm done for this. Like I'm going to be trader. Guess what? 2 weeks, no, not 2 weeks, but like 3 4 weeks later, got over leverage, was overconfident, because obviously I made that 10K to 200K in a moment that crypto was pumping for 2 3 weeks, no, like 3 4, even 1 month consistently. Like you were longing a 10% dump, it was going 2x. Like that was crazy. Like everyone was making money. It's just that I was kind of good, so I was making more money than the others. But same thing for everyone. When the market reverse and everyone gets fucked, you get fucked too. And I got liquidated. This time I didn't learn at all. I was like, fuck, nah, nah. And I tried to make money again. So I made some money again back with my works and what I was doing online. and I was able to put back some money in again. Like it was like 6 months later, 1 year later, and that was all psychological things because on a analysis basis, I was good. Like I knew where the market was going. I was able to catch those things. It's just that I had zero risk management. Like I was risking everything. I was overconfident. I was like, oh, you're gonna make it. And I lost a lot of money. So I was like, I need to make that money back. But that's not how you work. It's like a cycle. You make money, you lose it, you put more, you want to make it, you lose it, and then blah blah blah. Like that's you're fucked up. You are fucked up. So yeah, that's something very important, guys, that you need to keep in mind. Like, don't burn yourself. You have to work on the psychology. And thankfully, like, I'm very happy that did happen. I made again like 20K to like 100, 150Ks, and I liquidated my account again. And thanks God, I liquidated my account because this time I learned from that. Like, I learned from that. I was like, okay, bro, it's been 3 years you're doing that. You want to do that for your life, and you just can't make money. You make money, but you lose it. What's the point of it? And so I took it hard, like, and I took it as a lesson. And from that point, I was able to work on two things, well, three things. But for me, there is three pillars. That was what I said to my student in the mentorship. But there is three pillars, but the two most important ones are: first one, psychology; second one is risk management, and the third one is planification and execution. Like when you have those three ones, you're fucking good. Like if you have psychology and risk management, you're a beast. But if you get with that planification and execution, bro, you just make money. Like that's how you make money. Having your system, knowing how to trade, but also having the right mindset, the right psychology, sorry, and risk fucking management. So that's the key, guys. So from that point on, I was able to get that flipping psychology, not trying to make insane money in a small amount of time, but trying to make consistent profits over a certain period of time, which is infinite. Like you just try to make from now on to like the future, like when you will be dead, profit every day, every day, every day. Well, you can make profit 7 days out of 10 and lose money 3 days out of 10 and still be in profit. You can make money 2 days out of 10 and lose money 8 days out of 10. But if you make the average and you sum profit and the losses, and at the end you get more profit than losses, then your job is fucking good. And that's how you have to do it. Like, for example, my trading system, I have a fucking high win rate, like 80-90%, roughly. So I make more winning days than losing days. But what was burning me is that I was making more winning days than losing days. But when I had a losing day, I was losing it all like 50%. I was getting fucked. And this is what I had to change. And that's what I changed. When I lose, I don't lose big. I just lose what I was willing to risk. And that's it. And you move on. You lost some money. Okay, done. You move to the other trade, to the other day, and you make money. And that's how you do it. And even if your system is with a low risk, with a low win rate, because you have a high risk ratio in your trades, well, that's also good. I know people that are like 20, have like 20-25% win rate or even less, and they make money because when they make a win, that's the same thing. They make a lot of losses, but they lose little. But when they make a win, bro, they make a fucking big win. That's lottery. I know that's like it's like winning lottery, but it's not lottery. It's work. It's consistency. Like it's they plan that thing. Okay, so that is really important. And from that point, guys, when I got my second account liquidated and I started to learn, that was my switch. That was like really my flip. And so I'm very thankful of that. And since like 2 years, 2 years and a half, I was able to improve my training system, improve my risk management, and now I know that I can make money from wherever I want. I can work from France, from Dubai, from Peru, from Argentina, from United States, from Cameroon. I don't know, like from wherever I want. I just need to have my laptop, Wi-Fi, and that the market is not closed, and I will be able to do that. So that's a real job, and that's what you really need to understand, is that once you get that flip, it's the same thing as making your first 10K a month. Like when you make your first 10K a month, at the beginning you're like, oh, 10K a month is huge. Bro, 10K a month is not fucking huge. It's small. It's like small as fuck. Like even like I don't know how to explain. For some people it's crazy to say that, but when you did it first, you're like, oh, that's massive. That's massive. And then you understand that you can do way more. And when you do more, you did 10K, you do let's say 50K 1 month. Like, oh, that's massive. And then when you did it, you're like, oh, I can do more. I can do more. And then you get 100K, and you're like, oh, I can do more. And you go, go, go. And that's how that's work with trading. That was with e-commerce. That was with fucking SMMA. That was with you open a fucking restaurant. That's the same thing. That is the same thing. Every business is like there is no limit. And so you have to break those limits, and it's all psychology. We are all the same. Someone that is fucking billionaire, he's the same. He's a fucking human. He's this okay, maybe he got some advantages and stuff, but at the end, he's a human, you're a human. And it's you against the others. And that's that's what you have also in trading. It's we are a lot of little fish. Yeah, there is big whales and stuff, but at the end, we are all fishes in the same ocean, and you have to have an edge against the others. And this edge against the others for me is the psychology, the risk management, and the planification execution within your trading system. So I spoke a lot. It's already 15 minutes. Sorry, that will be my longest video, but for me, that's a really important video, and I wanted to give the most value I could. Okay. So now just to end it, I was invited by Coinbase also. I forgot to say that, but because I'm testing that product, um, they reached, well, I think good traders to test their product. So I'm trading a little bit on Coinbase Advanced. So it's a brand new platform. If you know, Coinbase was only doing spot trading. Now they want to do perpetual trading. So I'm testing it for them, and saying them, okay, you need to do that, need to do that, you need to remove that, like giving them feedbacks. But I really think they're going to be pretty big once their product would be ready, because bro, Coinbase brand is fucking insane. It's US regulated, listed in the S&P 500. Like they're massive. Like BlackRock inflows are going through Coinbase. Like there's liquidity. Like it's something big. So it was pretty good, and they invited me at Barcelona for the Grand Prix. Hopefully they will invite me to other ones, but I'm looking forward to help them to work on that. It's very interesting actually to be able to do something different than just trading, helping some companies and stuff. So that's also a great opportunity. And yeah, guys, well, I think that video was kind of long already. I don't know if I will put some videos about the Grand Prix or not, because it's already a fucking long video. But let me know if you guys enjoy this kind of content, like raw talking, just me being transparent with you guys, giving you my experience, my feedbacks and stuff. So this is what I do within the mentorship, also with my students. And also I will start to give way more, because I'm starting this content right now, like a video, like with you guys since a few weeks. So I will be I just started posting way more on Discord. So I give you guys the Discord link in the video, so you guys can join. There is my calls analysis for free. You can also join the VIP Discord if you want, where there is like all my calls, but like that's as you want. Like honestly, I won't make promotion of it. You will see it by yourself, the VIP results and stuff. And also later I would start to push it back again, because for now we are kind of full with all the students. I already like 20 students, something like that, with the one-on-one mentorship. So that's just you work with me, I work with you. I try to give you all the value like I try to do during this video, but for way longer period of time with way more content. So that's the whole point of the one-on-one mentorship. But yeah, for now I'll just put you in the description the link of my Discord, guys. So if you want to join, just feel free to join. And if you have any questions and any idea of videos that you would like to see from my channel, from my YouTube channel, just let me know in the comments. And thank you guys. We're already like 200 followers. I feel like we will grow a lot. I really enjoy doing this content for you guys. Like it's very cool. Like I really enjoy doing that. So thanks for your support, and hopefully see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.